Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In this video, I will discuss two topics with you. What is PCOS and how to cure it? Because as always, I want to give you your keys of health back in your own hands. I have tried my best to simplify this condition, which is becoming increasingly common in our societies. So let's start by discussing what causes PCOS. PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome. In this condition, you have two major things happening in your body. First, you have high levels of androgen, which is a male hormone. And second, you don't have menstruation. So, of course, it's a female condition. In fact, this is how PCOS is initially diagnosed. And then the next step is to do an ultrasound to confirm the diagnosis. The symptoms of PCOS include a deepening of the voice, facial hair growth, excessive armpit hair, stubborn belly fat, acne, hair loss, trouble getting pregnant, low sex drive, and fatigue. Some doctors will tell you that insulin resistance is also a symptom of PCOS, and that's why women with PCOS are at high risk of developing type 2 diabetes. I am telling you that insulin resistance is not a symptom of PCOS. It is actually a cause of PCOS and actually a primary cause. Usually, the suggested treatment is either estrogen or birth control pills, but that is not going to solve the problem because you are not addressing the cause of the problem. You're addressing the symptom. If you address the problem of insulin resistance, you will automatically begin to address PCOS, which is actually a result of insulin resistance. So what can you do about insulin resistance? First and foremost, exercise. You need to move. Second, reduce stress levels. Third, eat more soluble fibers such as oatmeal, flax seeds, vegetables like Brussels sprouts, and fruits like oranges. Add a lot of raw vegetables to your diet. Make sure you have a large serving of salad with each meal. Cut down on carbs. In fact, you eliminate wheat from your diet entirely, you will see an almost instantaneous effect. Immediate results in the reduction of PCOS symptoms. Intermittent fasting is a great solution where you eat during a window of 8 hours and then fast for 16 hours. And you absolutely must take a good multivitamin and mineral supplement to ensure proper nutritional balance. You should definitely work very closely with a naturopath who will focus on addressing the underlying issues to reset your body's natural rhythm as opposed to conventional methods of addressing the symptoms. This is it in a nutshell. It's the simplest way to put PCOS and how to cure it. As always, be your best self. Don't forget to like and share the video and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.